So I am just currently now on the way to Tumalog Falls, which is just outside of Oslo. I was just at Dow Falls, which was really amazing. And so I'm excited for Tumalog. It's a pretty long drive. It's 2 hours the whole day. Oh my god, look at this lizard. Holy smoke. Wow, super exciting lizard there. It was like a little monitor lizard. Amazing. So I'm just here in the water at Tumalog Falls, and I have to say I've been here about, I've actually lost track of time, but I think it's 45 minutes, and this place is just absolutely out of this world. It's the most heavenly waterfall that I've ever seen. Seems like it's almost made out of a bark of wood. It's just, how do you explain all these little wowza. This really is a superb falls, and I've just been photographing and videoing for probably the last 2 hours. I think it's been about that long. I've kind of lost track of time being here. It's really quite something.